So I have the day off today and I don't know what we're gonna go do. What I wanna do is I wanna do some travel, I wanna hit a back road, and I wanna cook a steak. So that's what we're gonna do. That's the premise of this video, and let's just see what happens. Camper, 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 camper. Camper on the back of that motorcycle. It's a long weekend right now. There's campers. I almost tripped. There's campers everywhere. Look at. 3 right there. I got one. There's one. So we didn't hit a back road, but we are gonna cook some steaks. We're at my friend's place right now, and you will remember her as that vlog where I did the van tour. Guys, look at this. How cool is this van? So we're at this beautiful spot right here, beautiful lake, and I haven't done a cooking video in a while, so I thought that I could mix a cooking video with somewhat of an adventure vlog because I do have a day off. Oh, there's a little sea otter on the oh no, I wish I had a different lens. He's right there. He just jumped in the water. Mixed with a adventure vlog because I have not done an event. Oh, he's up again. Look at him. Anyways, you guys get it. We're gonna cook some steaks. There's a fire already going right here, and we're also gonna try to get her canoe in the water. We found the canoe, and now we need some paddles or oars. So hopefully they're here. One? We found one. Oh, what's gonna jump out at me? We got some. It looks like it's gonna work. Okay, so I hope this is okay footage, guys. We finally got the canoe in the water. I don't think it has any leaks, but I didn't want to bring my big camera because, well, if I lost my big camera, that's like $1,300. So I didn't feel like it, and I'm not a confident canoeer. I mean, we're doing pretty good, right? Yeah, we're doing pretty good. See my paddle? That's how much she trusts me. Gave me the little kid paddle. The zoom is incredible. You're crazy. You're crazy. It's cold. It is very cold. I just had my feet in. Oh, I was like, no, I'm not jumping in there. There's so many beautiful boats that are passing us. Yeah, I'm eating pistachio nuts. I'm eating them like sunflower seeds. There's so many beautiful boats passing us. I'm still looking for my engine to put on my Zodiac. I've been so busy with work that I haven't had any time. But I'll for sure bring the Zodiac out here and enjoy some lake fishing and lake exploring. See that fire right there? That fire is actually going. It looks like it's gonna be perfect because it's just kind of smoldering. So I have some steaks. So we have 2 steaks, a brush, olive oil, 1 cutting board, butter, 4 potatoes, 1 onion, sour cream, corn, and a pot of water. Okay, where are we putting it? Where do you think a good spot is? A little bit of olive oil on these, salt, and pepper. That'll work. Yep, perfect. Oh, look, hear that sizzle. I want that other one right here. Beautiful. So we got the steak, we've got the potatoes on the other side, and then, that's super hot, and then I'm gonna put this water, start boiling that for the corn. Once that cools down, because I accidentally dropped that in the fire. Oh God, we're flipping the steaks. Man, this is a big fire. Oh. That's a little burnt. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that is hot. Which one is gonna have to happen? This fire was already here when we got here. I was gonna make a smaller fire. This is a little bit big to cook food on, but it's working. It's somewhat working. Oh, do you want to show them my pot of water too? I think it's actually starting to catch a boil. Well, at least on the right side. We're gonna cook the corn in that. Or boil the corn in that. Should be done soon. Maybe we'll cool them off right there. So they may be a little bit tough. That actually is really good. Which one's yours? This one?
Yep.
Okay. Do you think little animals will eat this? Like this? All right, so that's ready. Steak's ready. Corn's almost ready. I'm gonna get some plates and we're gonna eat. It's real outdoor cooking. The steak's really good, the potatoes are perfect, and we haven't tried the corn yet, but it looks really good. It's like one of those things where like, they keep like, no. So that was surprisingly delicious. I'm impressed by how that turned out. I thought I burnt the steak, I thought the potatoes weren't done, and I didn't know about the corn if I was going to be able to boil water. But it all worked out great, and it was delicious. There's one. Yes, I got that. Well, my friends, that was a good day. I got out of town. I needed to get out of town. Work's good, but I like getting out of town and taking the camper places like this beautiful view. It really is amazing. It's like a postcard here. As always, guys, keep living that dream. Till next time, take care. Subscribe if you feel like it, and bye-bye.